Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix account verification issues on Fanduel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are encountering account verification issues on Fanduel, it's essential to resolve them promptly to ensure a smooth experience. So what you need to do is review the information you submitted, double check all the information you provided during registration, including your name, address, date of birth and social security number. Ensure it matches the details on your official documents, example driver's license or passport. Ensure your address is correct and matches your bank statement or utility bill if requested for proof. Number second is to re-upload your verification documents. If Fanduel requires verification documents like a government issue ID or proof of address, make sure document quality is clear and legible copies. Ensure that documents are recent, example utility bills or bank statements should be no older than 90 days. Match the information like name, address and other details on the documents exactly what you have entered in your Fanduel account. Number third is to check for your payment method. If you are trying to deposit or withdraw funds, ensure your payment method, bank account or credit card or e-wallet matches your registered information. If you are using a card, make sure the card is registered under your name and billing address. Some cards may require additional verification through your bank as well. And then lastly, what you can do is contact Fanduel support by simply heading over to the app and then tapping on the settings and heading over to the help center, or you can just simply head over to the browser and then on the top bar type in Fanduel support and then tap on the contact us option or Fanduel support that is a link to the Fanduel help center. Now once you are there, you'll have the options like live chat, email and phone support as well. Select the preferred way for you to contact the Fanduel support. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.